Hello everyone, a very warm welcome on our e-learning platform of EduHome Scientific. We believe you are doing great. From our side, we wish you a very happy new year. Let's begin today's session. Today's session will be on this virusite database. So let's begin. So for participants who are beginner and new to this virus related project, I must tell you, see, you all are seeing this challenging period of COVID-19 era and how every time new variants like Delta, Omicron is spreading globally and creating such a huge challenge for everyone. So obviously, understanding and studies related to viruses and infectious diseases is very significant area where people will be required who have the understanding of these viruses at molecular level. So those students and researchers who wanted to work on such areas related to viruses, I must tell them that at the fundamental level, these viruses are the submicroscopic infectious agent. So they are very tiny and they cannot replicate on their own. They always require a host organism, a living cell where they can replicate. So in this case, in case of SARS-CoV-2, SARS-CoV-2 require humans as a host. So for the people or the student who wanted to understand viruses, a very significant informations related to viral genomics, their taxonomy, these kind of data, biological data will be very important if you want to do research in these areas, if you want to develop a diagnostic, therapeutics, and vaccine. So we have decided to provide you virus-related bioinformatics tools and databases so you can start with such analysis. So let me take to such one very crucial and renowned database for viral genomics and viral analysis. So if you are from biomedical area, biotechnology, viruses, this will be a very significant database. Okay. So those participants who are new, I must say and request you to use this virusite URL and come to this page. In the here you can see how many new updated information they have. Almost 11,000 viruses, their genome, gene information they have already updated recently in 2021. They will provide you all viruses, viroids, satellite informations related to genomes, which they get from the NCBI references sequences and the reference sequences they get from the NCBI references. Along with that, they do have information related to UniProt, Geo, Viral Zone, PubMed. So a lot of informations related to virus in terms of biological information, taxonomy, structure details, and if you want to perform certain analysis, all these things are feasible. So let's take the example of SARS-CoV-2 here. I will be providing you information with this enzyme, with this virus, and will be showing you one practical demo also. And maybe depending on your research interest and virus interest, you can do other analysis also, maybe HIV, dengue virus, Zika virus, Ebola virus, and so on. So if you will open this page in the search section, in the key search, you can type the name of your virus. Okay, so in this case, I have typed it out the SARS-CoV-2 and then I have searched it. So SARS-CoV-2 is a severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. And you can see it's almost like 29 kb of its genome. It's a single standard RNA. It's not a DNA virus. It's not a double standard RNA. It's a single standard RNA virus. It contains 11 gene and 12 protein. Okay. So in case of viruses, taxonomy is very important because see, this pathogen is either a bacteria, a virus, or in viruses also either it's a DNA virus or RNA virus. These small things makes a very crucial significance differences on the basis of which we have to decide the vaccine development, diagnostics, therapeutic strategies and all. So in this SARS case, it belongs to virus superkingdom. It's a ribovirus, so it's RNA viruses. In RNA viruses also, it's belong to beta coronavirus, it's belong to SARS, and it is a SARS-CoV-2 which came and originated in Wuhan in 2019. Okay, and we humans are the host for this virus. So if you will click here and you will get the detailed genomic information also, like RNA viruses, what is the size of the genome. So it's almost 29 kb, and almost 97-98% is the coding part. Like in case of human, only 95 to 97% is the non-coding, but here the 97 percentage is coding part, because these are sub-microscopic and small organisms. Here there are 11 gene and 12 proteins. If you will go and if you want complete genome of this virus, this can be we can download these things with this reference IDs are present here, complete genomes are here. Just by click you can download these information. So if you want to get the information about the gene, you can get the link from the NCBI gene and a particular protein for this virus. These information you can get it from here. If you want a publication related to SARS-CoV-2, that can be also downloaded and can be read from here. Suppose if I click on this gene, they will show you all the significant gene of this SARS-CoV-2. Okay, so here you can see the name of that gene, what is the start and end of this gene, the length of the gene. So suppose in case of SARS-CoV, spike is very important gene for your real time for diagnostic, because this is the protein which interact with the ACE2 receptor of humans, and then it enters our machinery and they hijack the human machinery and replicate, and then the infection and whole thing happens. So spike is very important protein here. So this is the genome, the gene start and the length is given here. So based on that, your primer designing, your cloning and other things depend on these information. If you want to work on viral protein, so obviously if you are working on drug designing related project, virus vaccine development, so in that diagnostic or therapeutic, in that time proteins are very important, like surface glycoprotein, spike protein, the envelope protein, the membrane protein, in this case the RNA dependent RNA polymerase, because this is the RNA virus. So all these proteins are very important, which has been targeted for the development of vaccines, diagnostic, and therapeutics. So here you can see the size of protein. So this is almost like 1273 amino acid long spike surface glycoprotein. Okay. If you want the detail of this particular protein also, so you can see the protein name, its common name, the amino acid size, the PI, molecular weight, and if you want structure details, then all the PDB information is also provided. If you want to do the detail analysis of this protein, the UniProt ID is also mentioned here. Just by clicking at this ID, you can get all the information about this protein in detail. Like if I have done this for SARS-CoV-2 spike protein, so here you can see this is a UniProt. We can get the whole information about the function, structure, pathology related projects, structures, domain, family, all these are information you can get it from here. So like in case of domain and reason, so out of this spike, the part which is important is the receptor binding, the part which is binding with the ACE2 receptor. So that information is provided here. Okay, so in a similar fashion, you can do the analysis of different viruses. So let's see one demo here. So this is the virus site page. It will look like this. You can go to key search. You can type your virus name. Okay, so with virus name, host name, if you have the reference genome ID, you can provide anything. So let's try with the virus name. So for SARS-CoV-2, I am searching. Although I have worked on HIV also from US. So you just have to click here. So here you can get all the taxonomical detail. We are the host here, Homo sapiens. If you want the genome map, you can get it from here. Sequence, if you want, you can get it from here, the complete genome sequence. Okay. Taxonomical detail is here. See all the genome information detail like size, its GC content, coding region, detail about gene and protein. And if you want to download the genome information is here. If you want to get publication is here, all these publications, gene information is here. So this table is here. So here is the protein information. So let's try with the spike protein. So all this protein information details are here. Protein ID, NCBI protein ID is here, Unicode ID is here. Just by this click, you can go there on the Unicode page. And you can perform the protein analysis here. Detailed protein analysis of spike. These are the structure details. So here you can get all this. We will be taken to our CSV PDB database and you can download the structure data. You can get it from here. I think net is very slow today. Oh, it's open now. So here you can see the SARS-CoV-2 spike glycoprotein in complex with the COVAX 269 Fab. So the detail about this study is here, and the download of this file you can do from here. We have already shown you the RCSB PDB analysis and how we can perform these things in our other tutorial. You can go and watch that also if you want to do. So these information and structure can be downloaded from here. So I hope this virus site information is relevant for you. And if you people are working or planning to work on viruses, you can try with your research interest area or with your chosen virus and do this analysis. And if you are finding these videos useful for your studies, I request you all to like and subscribe our channel, and please do share these things and these videos among your scientific friends. Thank you.